At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
And good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy first day of meteorological spring. What's in store for the day today? It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a gusty day, and the fire danger goes up. We're going to be talking about that, plus our storm system that arrives as we get into next week. Temperatures on the last day of February made it into the 60s, even close to 70 in Chattanooga. Didn't pick up any rainfall, no records out there, but definitely a little bit of a different story throughout the day. We've got a cold front swinging its way through here as we speak. Cold front slides off to our south and southeast. The wind is going to be on the increase throughout the day today. And still a little breezy out into our Sunday, but not nearly as gusty as it's going to be throughout the day today. So when you look at your wind gust trend throughout our Saturday, it's going to increase as the atmosphere mixes out. Then the winds will start to relax overnight tonight, and they'll kind of kick back up as we head through the day tomorrow. So because of that, you remember yesterday we had a special weather statement due to high fire danger. Well, the National Weather Service has upgraded that to a red flag warning. What does that mean? That just means low relative humidity, high increasing wind speeds, and so that's going to increase our fire danger throughout the day today. Relative humidities will drop to about 25 to 30%, which is extremely dry. All right, let's talk about your weather headlines here as we look ahead and talk about the forecast ahead of us here over the next several days. High fire danger today, breezy, low relative humidity. Cooler and elevated fire danger on into our Sunday. And then a strong storm system is going to eject itself out of the plains. It's over into California right now, and that's going to bring us the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Of course, you can always find out the latest details with the East Tennessee Weather app or online at easttnweather.com. Let's talk about morning temperatures this morning. It's been pretty comfortable to get the day started. We're in the 40s and the 50s, a couple pockets of 30s here or there, but all in all, definitely a pretty solid feel. And we're actually trending warmer than what we were yesterday. Don't get used to it because tomorrow mornings we're right back down into the 20s and 30s. Lunchtime temperatures will be in the 50s. The wind's going to start to pick up as we get into the afternoon. Forecast high temperatures will stay in the 50s. So because we've got the cold front swinging through this morning, I just don't think those temperatures are going to climb too terribly much. And then we drop down into the 40s as we get into the evening hours. Even by 8 o'clock here tonight, we're down to about 42 degrees. I want to highlight tomorrow morning's lows because it's going to be significantly colder. We're talking teens and 20s, clear skies, and a cooler air mass is settling its way on in. So therefore, we just don't warm up a whole lot throughout the day. On Sunday, we're going to trend cooler and below average. We'll only top out in the 40s, maybe a couple pockets of 50s here or there, but generally speaking, we're going to be about 10 degrees cooler than what we'll experience throughout the day today. So we'll go 54 today, 47 tomorrow, but look at tomorrow morning's low, down to 24 degrees. High fire danger and gusty today, breezy tomorrow, quiet and dry Monday, and most of the day on Tuesday. But a storm system is going to be ejecting itself out of the Great Plains, and that's going to bring us a chance for strong thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and maybe some wraparound snow showers on the backside of that for the higher elevations. And then Thursday, Friday, temperatures will rebound back into the 50s. So pretty average weather as we get into next weekend. Low temperature trend, well, they're coming on up. So we got a couple of cold mornings ahead of us. Then those lows come up and they'll stay fairly elevated or fairly average anyways behind our Wednesday cold front. Let's talk about it. The Storm Prediction Center now, this is 3 days in a row that they've been pinpointing a big risk for severe storms across the Mississippi River Valley. And so 15 to 30% or greater probabilities within 100 miles that we'll see severe storms. Not necessarily the case for us. It shifts off to our east. So the National Weather Service and the Storm Prediction Center thinking, hey, listen, because of the timing of the storm system for us here locally, let me go back to this map for a second, the greatest risk is going to be to our south and southwest. So we'll have to watch it closely depending on the timing. But if it's late at night, we lose instability, we lose the dynamics of the atmosphere. And then those dynamics may not pick back up until the storm system pushes off to our east. And so we'll see how this plays out for us. So make sure you check back in because we are talking about potentially some strong thunderstorms. Here's your futurecast. We pick up our timeline on Tuesday morning. Not much activity, but again, a lot of folks celebrating Mardi Gras down into Louisiana. And severe storms, tornadoes are likely to break out in that part of the country as this cold front swings its way through. Low pressure tracks its way into the upper Midwest, drags the cold front, brings us a line of showers and thunderstorms late Tuesday into early Wednesday. That's Wednesday morning. Of course, give or take, it's going to change a little bit as we get closer to the event and as we get into some high-resolution model forecasting. Right now, we're still in the medium and long-range models, and so once those short-term or high-resolution models start to pick up on this activity, we'll get a better idea of how this plays out. I think generally speaking, about a half an inch to 3/4. So we'll just go about quarter to a half an inch. We'll just call it in the middle. We'll go about a half an inch of rainfall. I think is going to be associated with that cold front as it spills its way into the area. So something to kind of keep in mind. We are looking at heavier rainfall, but still we're talking about the potential for some drought situations that are ongoing around parts of East Tennessee. So generally speaking, about an inch of rainfall around the area. When you look at your 7-day forecast for all reporting stations around East Tennessee, Knoxville, Crossville, Tri-Cities, and Chattanooga, looks like, either way you look at it, cool and chilly for tomorrow morning. Cool and comfortable today and tomorrow. Chilly tomorrow morning and even Monday morning. Temperatures come back up through the middle part of the week ahead of that cold front. Cold front spills in some showers and thunderstorms and could produce some strong to severe storms. So I say it every day. I'll say it again today. If you don't have a way to receive life-saving weather information, i.e. alerts from the National Weather Service, make sure you download the East Tennessee Weather app. You get just that and so much more. All right, have a great Saturday. Get out and enjoy the sunshine, the slightly cooler temperatures, and hang on to those hats. It's going to be a good kite flying day today and possibly again tomorrow. Have a great day. Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day part, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it.